Background management can be located in the lower left of the canvas, next to the list icon. Touch it or click it once to open the background management menu. The choices you have are the Follow Me AI backgrounds, which are any backgrounds that you've uploaded into Google Drive. The My Viewboard Cloud are backgrounds that My Viewboard has uploaded for anyone to access. The color palette allows you to choose a solid color. The image with mountains has a few other various backgrounds that you can apply. When you have a background you wish to apply, select it, and then from the window, choose if you would like to apply the background to all pages or just one page.